Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're here today at Withiel Commercials and they specialise in container hire. They do all sorts of different containers. I will read a little bit off the website for you. Always assuming that my internet is going to work here, which I can't. Aha, okay. Right, Withiel Commercials, container hire and sales, new and second hand. Right, Withiel Commercials Limited is a Cornish company providing a wide range of containers and welfare units available for quick hire delivery to your location in Devon and Cornwall. Containers, hires and sales, 8-foot stores, 10-foot stores, 20-foot shipping containers and 40-foot shipping containers, used available in various colours. They also do welfare units, storage containers, offices and canteens, toilet blocks, groundhog units, drying rooms, water bowsers and stairs. So yeah, that's a little bit about what Withiel Commercials do. I will have a check on drone assist a minute. Yeah, we're there, look, there's absolutely nothing there at all. As you can see, we're quite close to the no-fly zone, but we're nowhere near. So yeah, all is good on the drone assist. I've mainly come here today because of a tip-off. I'd like to say thank you to Big N for suggesting that I come here today. She said that there's all sorts of old things in the back of the yard. That apparently there's some old steam engines, traction engines that are in the yard as well. So I think that would be quite a nice video to make. I thought this one would be. Takeoff permitted. So let's get the drone up above Withiel Commercials today. And see what we can see. Got to try and figure it out a little bit, which area is where. There's some there's just a huge amount of containers everywhere. I mean, that's the main yard, I would assume. I mean, we've got more containers down there that are dropped down there in the lay-by like place. There's oh my god, we've got all sorts of containers over here. I'm particularly interested in where these steam engines are. There's I mean, we are out in the middle of nowhere, as you can probably see. I'll take a wander and have a look over here and see what's what. I need to try and keep up above there is some power lines here, so I have got to be a little bit careful of those. There we go. Right, let's see if we can have a look around and see very much of any interest. Oh, we got a couple of old caravans there and a boat. Let's go a little bit further in. A nice Ranger or Navara or something there parked up. There's lots and lots of different size shipping containers. And that one there, by the looks of it, has got a window in it. See if I can get down a little bit closer on that one. Yeah, there's definitely a window in that one, look. On the side there. Double glazed window too, by the looks of it. So yeah. It's a nice old camper van, if they would call that a camper van. I'm not sure they would call that a camper van. It's quite a nice size one, I think, by the looks of it. Yeah. Desperately keeping an eye out for these steam engines that are supposed to be around. The problem is there's so much stuff here that it's very, very difficult to see what's what. Check down in that lot a minute and see if there's anything that remotely resembles a steam engine in this lot. There's a huge amount of junk by the looks of it. Yeah, I can't see anything that looks even... Ah, what's that? Oh, that looks like it could be an old steam engine. In fact, I think that's exactly what that is. It's such a shame, really, that's been left to go to rack and ruin like that. Because that's a beautiful old thing. I'm not entirely sure that I'm going to be able to walk up to where it is and actually view it. It looks like it's right in behind everything else hidden away there. Yeah, I can't see, unfortunately. So there's one old steam engine that we've seen there. That's a nice house. That's a really nice house. It's a funky shape. Just going to walk a little bit further up here a minute and see if I can actually get a look at the place from yes, there's the house there, look. Oh no, it's not. I'm looking at the wrong house. That funky shaped house is actually in there, under there. So yeah, this one here is the house that I'm looking at. This one here is the house that was on the body cam a minute ago. Okay, I wasn't expecting to see that on the top of a container. That's quite amusing. So yeah, I think this whole plot is pretty much owned by the same person. But I have only seen one steam engine so far. And that's sort of the reason these are nice shaped buildings. Actually, these are a bit different shaped. So let's just... Those buildings are fantastic. The shape of the... Are you alright, buddy? I've just got a drone up filming a little bit. I heard that you had some old steam engines tucked away here somewhere.
Oh, that's them in there, mate.
Ah, right, it's all over that side, is it?
It'll be in there, yeah.
I shall pull the drone back over and go that side. Thank you very much, gents. Right, so yeah, it's not all owned by the same person then. All the steam engines, apparently, are all over this side. So let's see if we can get over and have a look and see if we can see the steam engines. Aha! Now they look like steam engines. Oh, there's a little baby one there as well, look. By the looks of it. Oh, and that one there, look. It's a bit of a tragedy, that is, just having them there like that. That's a real shame. Yeah, that is a real shame. To just have them thrown in the back there like that. I mean, some of those are worth tens, if not hundreds of thousands of pounds if they're in good condition. So the fact that they're all just parked up there like it's unfortunate. It's an expensive old hobby to refurbish those steam engines. And it looks like there might be another one there as well. That looks like that might have the old steam engine traction wheel on it. Yeah, it's a real shame, that is, to have them parked up there like that. Right, I'm going to have to return to home a minute to change my battery on my drone. Right, let's get back up over Withiel Commercials. Now that the battery's back on, I like the Fiesta on the top of the... Oh, is it a Fiesta? It might not be a Fiesta actually. But yeah, that's quite a showpiece on the top of the containers there. It's a real shame about those steam engines. Oh, there's another one there, look. The old phone boxes as well, look. Those old phone boxes are worth a few quid now. It's the old steam engines. It's a real shame that they're in there like that, just been left. It is a shame. That's that there. Oh, it's just a broken shed roof by the look of it. Or is that a caravan? An old caravan of some sort. It's difficult to tell on the drone screen. But yeah, we're up at about 53 metres there now. It's such a shame that those old steam engines, I mean, look at that one. That's a beautiful old engine. And it's a real shame when it's just been left there like that to rot. I mean, as I said, I know it's an expensive business to refurbish those. But still, they're everywhere. I'm going to assume that there is the office. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's possibly the office. doesn't seem to be an awful lot going on at this yard at all, really. What's that? Oh, it's a crane, isn't it? Oh, it's a high ab. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's a retractable high ab. And it's got some brand new units on it of some sort. Luckily these are right next to the road, so I might be able to see what they are. Withiel Commercials Limited, container hire and sales. So no, there's three little baby things, three little baby containers on there. What, probably 5 foot high, maybe 6 foot high, and about the same square. So they're probably 4 or 5 foot high containers. So yeah, that's them. You alright, sir? Yeah. Looking at the steam engines in there.
Yeah, there's nothing to do with me, I'm just a customer.
Ah, right, okay. So yeah, I might take a stroll in there in a minute and see if he will let me pop in and have a look. It would be nice to get a close-up look. So what I want to do a minute is I'll put the drone away, and I'd like to see if I can go in and get a closer view of the steam engines. That would be superb. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to or no. If there's anybody in anywhere. Is it up there? Oh, look at that. It's handsome, that steam engine. See the size of it. There's loads and loads of... Hiya, mate. Are you alright? Yeah. I don't know if you saw, but I had a drone up a minute ago. Taking some pics. It was mainly the traction engines and whatever.
Yeah.
I couldn't just have a quick bimble around and with me body cam, could I?
What? Yeah, there's no shit climb over nothing.
Oh no, I won't do that, mate. No, it's such a shame to see them like that. It's a huge expense to refurb them, I know, but it's just such a shame to see them like that, isn't it?
Yeah, you can have a look, just don't touch.
Yeah, that's right, mate. I'll just walk. I'll just stand there and have a quick look.
Yeah.
I'm certainly not going to be poking around anywhere, mate. Brilliant. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, I get to look at it up close. It's the old telephone boxes as well. Wow, look at that. That's incredible. The sheer size and power behind this thing must be immense. The old wooden tracks, look. At least I assume they were wooden. Looked at. Oh, that's handsome, that is. That's absolutely awesome. See the size of the funnel on it as well. It's a shame really that it's not marked up as to what it is. But that's, oh, fantastic. Oh, there's a little baby one there. And at these as well, look, the old telephone boxes. If these were complete, they would be worth a few quid, those telephone boxes. Oh, look at this little baby. I know it's only a garden ornament, but crikey, that's a lot of work went into making that. An awful lot of work went into making that. And it's pullable as well, look. Wow. And what's this? Pete Goss and Team Phillips. All right, okay. We've got what looks like another belt pulley runner. That one there would be, one would spin and have a big leather belt on it, which would be attached to like a grinder or like a grinding mill, or a big saw cutter, or a wood cutter or something like that. And yeah, that would have been what powered it. That one right there. Incredible. It's a shame to see them like this. But then again, at least they haven't been turned into scrap. It's nice. It's a piece of our heritage. So it's nice to see that they have actually kept it all as it was intended to be. So I'm just going to leave. I won't bother. Oh, there's another one in there. Look, I never saw that one. Yeah, yet again, that's got the big turning wheel on it. I mean, these were used for all sorts of things. Agriculture, they were all on farms for the, all the ploughs and everything were all pulled by steam engines. Oh, there's a plate up there, but I can't quite see it. 124491 is the registration number of that one. Look. I don't know if I might be able to get a slightly better zoomed in shot with my phone. I'll certainly give it a go and see. 1924491, Ipswich, England. So yeah, it's just the sheer power and the size of these things. It truly is incredible. That's crazy. I'm so glad that they gave me the opportunity to pop in and do that. Anyway guys, I think that's probably going to be it for this video. Bit of a random one really, with the steam engines there. But yeah, I think that's it guys. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up for the liking for the video. And if you've got any comments that you want to make, then please by all means do. I do try to answer any of the sensible comments that come in. So yeah, if you comment and it's reasonable, then I will always try to get back to you. Alright, thank you very much guys, and I shall see you on the next one.